Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I hope everybody is doing great. I am super excited today to share with you the brand new book that I have made for brain boosting activities. Primarily, it's a visual spatial intelligence activity that I've created, and it's a special holiday edition that I got an order, and I'm super excited to make it for very cute kids, and I hope they really enjoy. I can't wait to share with you what all I have put inside. They wanted something really colorful, but the most important part was a lot of fun brain teasers, something that will build up concentration, that will help kids sit down and enjoy the process. The whole theme of the book is geography and maps. So how to read maps, how to interpret maps, how to work with a map in taking out the information and seeing how to use it. So because the kids are learning maps and understanding how to use that information from maps and interpret them, so this was the theme of the book, and let's get going. But before we get going, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and just say hi and hello. Just leave a nice comment below. Just a hi would do as well. That will really encourage me to make more fun activities. So let's get going. Okay guys, this is again one of my handmade activities, and I've just made it very simple, visual spatial, and I've just, because it's a gift, so just a little bow. So let's get going. But before I get started, let me just tell you that all these activities are made. If you try and use them for yourself, for your kids, do mention or do tag me, send a picture, and it'll make me very happy. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, the first thing that you see is called an island, and where you see there are a lot of pictures that I've used, and once again, all my sticker books, I'm leaving the link below of my sticker books that I've used, and if you want, you can just write names or you can just draw, but when they are reading a map, they definitely need something. You can try and use a magazine cover or just pictures, and you can cut and paste them, because once they need to see the pictures, they need to see the elements to see. So once you have, the child has already gone through this, there are some very amazing questions that I have prepared. The total number of stars, spot the 2 turkeys, how many windmills do you see, spot answer the location of the first aid room, spot the green balloon, spot the bonfires on the island, write in total the leaves on the island. Okay, list the vegetation that is growing there. What word can you find with all the letters in the map? So there are at least 20 questions which they have to reply after studying the map of the island. And if you'll see, I have mentioned there is a compass here that they need to study, because there are many questions there which are derived from the compass, which is like north, south, east and west, and that's what they have to do. Okay, in my next, I'm gonna come back to that activity. Let me show you this activity first. It's called Star Wars. It says make the route and don't come back on the same route. So there are 25 stars, okay, and he cannot take the child cannot take the same route. So by taking on one, they need to find where is the second, and they need to go on second, then they need to come back on third, they need to go back on fourth. So like this, they have to create the whole route to do it. Okay, I think this is one of my favorite activities, and I really love it, the way it has come out. I really enjoyed making this one specifically. So this says who is sitting with whom. Okay, so there is a party going on, and we have to report about these stickers. So these stickers have some questions, and that they need to be answered. So like if you see this one, it says who is sitting on my left. So the child needs to spot this sticker, okay, because I have made it, I know it's right here. It says number 2. So this is number 2 sticker, and who's sitting on my left? The child needs to see left and right, and if he thinks this is left, they will write P. If he thinks this is left, they're gonna write H, and that's the answer that's gonna come here. Then we have I got my Christmas tree? What about P and J? So they need to find this picture first. Okay, let's see if you can find this picture somewhere here. I got it. Have I got my Christmas tree? Looks like the Christmas tree is right here. What about P and J? So P and J are their neighbors. Have they got their Christmas tree? No, they just have the hats on. So primarily they're going to answer these questions. So this is again on map, by looking at the picture and understanding the what's happening and trying and interpreting and getting the answers for the questions that are mentioned right here. So I think I took my full liberty to make it very, very interactive and fun for the holiday, so that there's not too much of writing, but at the same time there's a lot of thinking and fun elements going on. Let's see another one. Okay, Mr. Fox is waiting for the Christmas tree delivery. Navigate the path by following the numbers. Okay, so that's how, this is the car that needs to take the tree to Mr. Fox, and they need to navigate the path. Like, there's so many elements here, but wherever you see the number, that's how you have to take your route through. Trust me, it looks simple, but it is very tricky, and I think it'll be a lot of fun for the kids to do it with a hot cup of coffee, hot chocolate, or just when they're opening up their presents. Let me show you another one. So this was a special request because every time I make books, they love this element where I try and create path. And if you will see, I have used the same pictures here and here, same color in here, just to make it a little tricky, okay? Because I have used the same colored path. So it's going to take a little while for them to understand, because I have made sure I'm going over my path over and over again, and it's not to make it very, very easy. Okay, coming back to my activity now here, it's called the Glow Park. And there are many elements here because it's visual and it's brain teaser. It's it's a concentration activity which will help kids to build their concentration. I have made sure that there are many elements where they are enjoying as well. So all these colorful stickers have been always a very prominent part of my activity books. And let's see how are they going to answer to these questions. So let's total and take count. Okay, they need to do total number of flower, birds, heart, and stars. So there are many flowers here, there are many birds here. They need to write all that. Then where is bee's home? There's a location that they need to find for bee's home. Do you find this flower north, east, or southeast? Okay, then you have some kind of question. So like, this is a frog, which is 4 into 8 minus 16. So that's the number. Once you find the number, you have to see how many of them are there with that number, add them, and then you have to write it here. Okay, let's go through one. What kind of birds surround these flowers? So let's see, where is this flower? Okay, we'll find the flower, and then we'll see what are the birds that are around these flowers, and then we're gonna name them. So that's it, guys. I have shared with you the book and the activities. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, give me a big thumbs up and do leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.